Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to record your screen audio and video. So let's get started. First, press Windows plus Shift plus R on your keyboard and you will see a recording bar will appear. Now select the screen you want to record and once you are done, click on the Start button to start recording. Now, if you want your voice recorded, make sure the microphone is turned on. But if you want the system sound, turn off your microphone and turn on the system audio. This will record your system voice, and that's it. Once you are done with recording, click on the stop recording button and you will see your video will automatically save in the captures folder inside your videos folder. Now you can trim it quickly by using the built-in photos or clipchamp app. As you can see here at the top right side, the edit clipchamp button. Just click on it and you can edit your video. So that's it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.